Today, I wanted to bring you 7 mistakes that prevent a company director being able to get a mortgage. Number 1, liabilities that outweigh the assets on the balance sheet. This is not good from a mortgage lender's point of view because ultimately the amount that you owe is more than the amount that you have. So do speak to your accountant around that area. Number 2, having a director's loan as your main source of income. You know, I see lots of company directors who do have director's loans and are withdrawing that from the company. That's not a problem at all, but we cannot use that as a means to service the loan for your mortgage. You know, if you've got additional profits, then they can potentially be considered. A director's loan cannot be considered in the same way a salary could. Number 3, not having a full 12 months accounts. Or it could be changing your status or changing your tax year end halfway through the tax year. Mortgage lenders like to see a consistent 12 months accounts. Number 4, a bit more personally, living in your overdraft. It really still surprises me the number of limited company directors that use their overdraft to maintain their standard of living. That's their personal overdraft to maintain their standard of living. You know, if you're using your overdraft in a business, to be fair, 9 times out of 10, a mortgage lender doesn't request to see those bank account statements. So it doesn't necessarily cause a problem because within your business, you generally live within your business means. But from a personal point of view, using your overdraft could have an impact on your ability to get a mortgage. Number 5, going direct to a bank. And there's 2 key things and 2 further mistakes that you make when you go direct to a bank or a mortgage lender or potentially someone on the high street to obtain your mortgage. And that's because by doing it yourself and going direct, you're not considering the whole of the market. You know, you're not going to be penalised in interest rate potentially, but there are banks, mortgage lenders out there that will consider company directors and are more flexible and have a more understandable review process and underwriting process for company directors. And I know this from my personal experience back in 2015. And finally, by going direct to the bank, the mortgage lender, you will often find that your age is limited to the 70. There are lenders that could allow you to go past the age of 70. So if you've ticked any one of those 7 mistakes, then we'll be more than happy to have a conversation with you, talk you through the options that are available and point you in the right direction and help you, as per my ethos, to prepare 24 months in advance of when you want to buy your home. So if we can assist you, then please do get in contact and I'll see you again on the next video.